Well, some tense moments tonight. Washington County Quorum Court meeting. County justices were set to address accusations of misused property and funds inside the sheriff's office. And after much debate, well, they voted to postpone the decision indefinitely. 4029's LaKyra Banks inside the meeting, joining us live. LaKyra, several pushes to get this agenda item removed entirely.
Yeah, that's right, Brandon. So this decision came after multiple attempts to get the agenda item removed altogether. So even some Quorum Court members, they debated whether the public should even hear about this. But after delay, they decided to postpone it.
Raise your right hand and say aye.
Aye. The motion to postpone passed 9-6, but getting to that point took long debate.
Okay, we have a motion, and I have a second by Justice Pond to remove the discussion of the county's internal investigation into the allegations of misuse of county property at the sheriff's office.
Justices voted to postpone a discussion of the county judge's investigation into Washington County Sheriff's Office. The investigation looked into reports of a maintenance supervisor at the jail using county equipment at home and employees selling stripped parts from an old air conditioner. While the employees claimed the money that they made was used for different events at the jail, the judge's investigation states not all of the money that they made went back to the jail.
I really feel that my team and I were sent here to root out public corruption and fraud.
Some justices argued the investigation should not be public, citing a review made by the Attorney General into the situation.
It has been investigated and investigated and investigated to death. Everybody has come up, professionals that have had years of experience with investigation, have come up with the same answer. There were no criminal intent charges, and therefore it doesn't need to come for this body.
Justice of the Peace Bradley Burns, who called for the discussion to be postponed, says he would like for the AG to weigh in on whether the investigation should be public knowledge.
Which, according to the Washington County attorney, this is a very unprecedented situation. And so going forward and putting out personnel information is very important to somebody's life.
Deacon says no matter tonight's decision, he plans to continue to fight for the information to be released to the public.
To throw cold water on this investigation, but we're adamant. We're here in the name of the taxpayer. This is public information, and I tend to see it sought through to make sure that every member of the public knows what's going on.
And the sheriff declined our request for an interview today. And in response to tonight's postponement, another agenda item on whether some jobs at the sheriff's department should be moved to county control was also postponed. Live in Fayetteville, LaKyra Banks, 4029 News.